Okay, this is page 2 for our study guide. On number 13, we want to classify the triangle by its angles and sides. So I'll start with PQR. PQR here. We have this side is 14. This side has a mark, so it's also 14. Let's look at our angles here. We're not quite sure what this leg is here. However, we can figure that out pretty soon. If this angle is 60 and this is 90, then this one up here has to be 30 because they must add to 180. So this whole angle is 60, 60, 60. This is an equilateral, equal angular triangle, so it must be equilateral. So if this is 7, then this one must be 7. To make the whole thing also 14. So PQR is equiangular, equilateral. All right, PRT, PRT. Well, if this is 7, 7, so 14 for the whole. This one's 5, this is 18. It is scalene, and this angle here is clearly obtuse. So obtuse, scalene. QST, QST. We have two congruent angles here, which tells me if these are our base angles, then this triangle is isosceles. So this side, 19, and this side, 14 plus 5. This side's also 19. And then for the angles, none of them are over 90, so acute. So acute isosceles. And QPN. QPN. If this angle's 90, then this angle is 90. So we have a right triangle. And let's see, none of these sides are the same length. So scalene. Okay, in the next section we're going to find the specified measures. So for this triangle here, I need to find the measurement of this x. So I do know that all of these angles should add up to 180. So if this is 30 and this one is 90, then this angle here is 180 minus 30 minus 90, so it's 60. So I'm going to set this equal to 60. Subtract 72. X equals negative 12. I could have also said, set it up like, could have said x plus 72 plus the 30 degree plus the 90 equaled 180. Whichever way you want to do that. You should still get x equals negative 12. Okay, the next one, measurement of angle A. So first I need to find x and then go back and find A. So let's see here. To find x, I'm going to add all of these up. So we have 1x plus 1x, that's 2x, plus 80 plus 60 plus 50 should be 190. So plus 190 equals, they all should total up to 180. So then what? Subtract 190, so 2x equals negative 10. Divide by x, so x equals, divide by 2. X equals negative 5. Now find angle A, which is this one here. So we have negative 5 plus 50. So measurement of angle A equals 45 degrees. Sixth, we have the exterior angle theorem. The angle outside exterior angle is going to be equal to the sum of these two angles. So I will have 5 plus 7, which is 12x, and negative 27 plus negative 26, which is negative 53, equals this whole outside, 10x minus 23. Subtract 10x on both sides. 12 minus 10 is 2x. Add 53, negative 23 plus 53 is 30. Divide by 2, so x equals 15. Ultimately, I was asked to find angle A. So that's 5 times 15 minus 27. So angle A equals 48 degrees. Number 17 says find the measure of the numbered angles 1 through 5. All right, so first off, I'm just going to start running through here. We have angle 1. These two angles here make linear pairs. So this should be 180 minus 88. So angle 1, 82 degrees. Let's just list them. Measure angle 1, measure angle 2, measure angle 3, measure angle 5. 92 degrees. All right. Next thing I see here is I see these parallel lines. I don't know anywhere else that I can go right away. If I do see this parallel line, I'll use a pencil. Here. And here. Sometimes it's good to kind of visualize them and turn your paper. So then I have this transversal. Well, inside it on the left and inside it on the right, alternate interior, so angle 5 should be 81. Okay, and let's see here. What else can I find out? Well, if I look at, yeah, that'll work. If I look at this being another transversal, so I can kind of erase this one if you need me to, make some more sense out of it. This is a transversal to our parallel lines. So this angle here is in the bottom right. Angle 3 is in the bottom right. So angle 3 should be 64 degrees. And that should lead us to the rest. So angle 4 should be 180 minus 81 minus 64. So angle 4 should be 35 degrees. And angle 2 should be 180 minus 92 minus 64. So 24 degrees. All right. 18. We have a equilateral triangle here, so I know the measurement angle 2 is 60 degrees. Well, if I was also told angle 2 is this, I'm going to plug in 60 here. So I have 60 equals 11 plus 7x. Subtract 11, 60 minus 11 is 49, equals 7x. Divide by 7, so x equals 7. All I was asked to find was x. 19. Okay, I have a isosceles triangle. So if this is my vertex angle, I know that these base angles are congruent, so angle 2 will be 50 degrees. Angle 2 is also represented by x plus 61, so I'm going to set this equal to 50. Subtract 61 on both sides. X equals 50 minus 61 is negative 11. It says find measurement of angle A and AC. So here I see that these two angles here are congruent, which means this is an isosceles triangle. These are our base angles, so these sides here would be congruent. So AC, I know, is 9. Okay, and for measurement of angle A, if these two are 48, I'll do 180 minus 48 minus 48, and know that angle A is 84 degrees. Last one on this page, find measurement of angle X, or sorry, just measurement of X. We have the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. So I'll do 11x minus 63 equals 2x plus 20 plus 5x minus 11. I could have just added them before I did that as well, like I did in the other one. 11x minus 63 equals 5 plus 2 is 7x. 20 minus 11 is 9. Subtract 7x. 11 minus 7 is 4. 4x equals 9 plus 63 is 72. 72 divided by 4 is 18. Finished.